Since its launch more than 60 years ago, Lamis has believed that excellence in the world of detergents is never achieved by chance, but is the result of solid science, accumulated expertise, and continuous innovation, alongside a deep understanding of customer needs across diverse markets. Here, the idea begins in the laboratory. In advanced facilities where science meets passion, our experts develop precise, well-studied formulations, rigorously tested using the latest technologies to ensure the highest levels of quality and effectiveness. Production then begins in Lamis factories, utilizing the latest automated and semi-automated equipment, operated through integrated automatic control systems combined with continuous monitoring systems to ensure quality standards across all stages of production, under the supervision of a highly skilled and well-trained workforce. Thus, every Lamis product becomes part of daily life in every Arab home, from home care detergents to personal care products, and a complete portfolio that meets the needs of the Arab family, delivering the highest levels of safety and efficiency, enriched with luxurious fragrances from the world's finest perfume houses. Today, the company operates 7 specialized factories spanning over 100,000 square meters, employing 1,600 professionals and experts, positioning Lamis as a leading model in the national industrial sector and a strong competitive force in local, regional, and international markets. A position firmly supported by the trust of millions of users. Over the decades, Lamis has earned numerous prestigious awards and certifications, including the Jordanian Quality Mark, ISO 9001, GMP certification from the Food and Drug Administration, and international quality certifications. Lamis delivers products that meet the highest standards of quality and safety across a broad spectrum of industrial innovation, as recognized by official regulatory authorities responsible for quality and excellence in Jordan. Excellence did not stop there. Lamis was honored globally for achieving record-breaking cleanliness performance, earning a Guinness World Record certification from London, and its products were ranked among the world's leading brands through the Super Brands Award, also from London. From the heart of the homeland, Lamis moves forward to the world, guided by a vision that combines scientific innovation, refined quality, and modern environmental standards. Lamis Detergent Company, science that creates cleanliness and quality that elevates our daily lives.